What's up guys, welcome to my blog. And now I'm going to teach you how to make an improvised face mask, because as we all know, the face mask is really expensive now and we're out of stock, so we need to make an improvise. So I will going to teach you how to do this. So here are the materials. We need only two things: the handkerchief and two rubber bands. If you have the cloth, like for the ponytail, you can use that, or bigger than this. But if you don't have, these two is enough. This size of rubber band. So let's proceed. First, you need to spread your handkerchief and then fold into four. One, two, three, and four. After, insert the two rubber bands on both. Then how you need to lock your handkerchief. So one can spread out. Just make a hole and insert this to lock it. Okay. Then you can now use it. So guys, here's the finished product. We'll try to test it now. So as you can see, it's not spread out. So we will pull the cloth here. That's it. We have now the improvised face mask. Please do subscribe and like and share my video to help other people, okay? Take care and stay at home. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.